Welcome back to another In the Know video. My name is Matthew Laird, Technical Sales Representative for Dayton Superior's Tilt-Up product line. Today I'm on a Tilt-Up job site located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today's In the Know video will go over Dayton Superior's T72 roof nailer. The T72 roof nailer is used in tilt-up construction to anchor the roof nailer board to the concrete panel. The T72 provides a permanent connection to resist lifting or deformation of the nailer board. The T72 nailer consists of two components. The durable plastic cone provides secure anchorage into the concrete panel, while the half-inch lag screw ensures a strong connection into the roof nailer board. Installation is simple, fast, and easy. Use a 9/16 socket drive extension and drill gun to drive the lag screw into the wood nailer board until the shoulder of the cone is flush and seated against the board. If you would like more information on the T72 roof nailer or any of Dayton Superior's products, please visit Dayton Superior's webpage at www.daytonsuperior.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.